Hello and welcome to another video of Visos. Let's take you on a fantastic journey into the world of AI generated art. Today, we are diving into CArt AI, a powerful text to image generator that allows you to create stunning anime pictures and lifelike images effortlessly. And the best part, it is completely free. I'm going to take you on a tour of this awesome tool and show you how to use it to create stunning high quality images and engage in fun AI conversations. So, buckle up and let's get started. Section 1, Getting Started with CArt AI. To begin your artistic journey with CArt AI, head straight to CArt AI and sign up using your Google account or any of the other options available. Choose your nickname and art preferences, and make sure to confirm that you are above 18 years old to access all the amazing features. Oh, and here's a bonus, the platform is currently free, so you can start creating right away. CArt can be used on Discord or the website, but today we'll focus on the website for its extended features and greater control over your creations. Section 2, Exploring AI Art Generation. Once you're in, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. You can explore various art categories, creators, galleries, and videos for inspiration, or dive straight into AI painting. The AI painting dashboard allows you to communicate with AI Artbot and customize your images. For those seeking more control, the Advanced Function panel enables you to fine-tune different aspects of your image to perfection. But if you prefer simplicity, just switch to the auto mode and CArt will work its magic for you. Section 3, Generating Stunning Images. Let's dive into AI painting, the heart of the image generation. Just input your prompt like an illustration of a red owl with bright blue eyes and let the magic begin. CArt AI will create your first image right out of the box. Section 4, Earning and Using Credits. At the moment, image generation is free, but soon you'll need credits. CArt AI rewards your creativity. Don't worry, you can earn free credits daily by completing simple tasks like logging in, joining the CArt AI Discord channel, inviting friends, or participating in activities on the platform. Remember to claim your free credits from the Task tab. Section 5, Upscaling. To take your images to the next level, try upscaling. Upscaling gives your masterpiece the ultimate boost in detail with impressive image sizes. CArt AI offers two options, standard upscale and creative upscale. Experiment with both to enhance image details and size. You can also explore various CArt models and modes for unique effects like CArt 2.1 or Dream Shaper, and even create your own dataset for custom AI art. Your art will truly shine with these advanced features. Section 6, Enhancing Your Creativity. Ever wanted a prompt for a specific image? CArt makes it happen. CArt AI offers tools like Image to Image, which converts images into text prompts for a new image generation experience. Upload the image to the Image to Image workspace or provide a URL. Click the Intelligent Analysis button and voila, a prompt ready for generation. But CArt doesn't stop there. It boasts a range of models to suit your preferences. From characters to various styles, the possibilities are vast. And if you have your model, You can even share it with the vibrant CArt community. Tweak the sampling method, use negative prompts, and explore advanced options for ultimate control. The outpainting tool quickly expands your frame. Section 7. The Prompt Studio. No more creative roadblocks. CArt has an awesome feature, the prompt generator. Try the random prompt generator for a surprise prompt. With just one click, you'll get a unique prompt that serves as your starting point. If you're seeking inspiration, roll the dice in the search bar for the plethora of AI generated images and styles you might not have discovered otherwise. With CArt by your side, you are never short of creative ideas. It sparks endless inspiration by allowing you to enter your idea and customize every aspect of your image. Select the style, quality, camera angle, lighting, and more. Once you have perfected your prompt, just click Create and CArt AI will bring your vision to life. Plus, don't miss the exciting AI chat feature. Engage with Emily and have fun creating AI conversations or exploring specialized themes. Section 8. AI Tools. Get ready to level up your artistry with CArt's robust tools. The Remove Background feature allows you to remove background without any hassle. Simply upload the picture or drag the picture in the section, and within seconds, your picture without background is ready to download. HD restoration allows you to remove noise from pictures and enhance the picture quality. The process is very simple. Upload the picture and let the CArt AI do the wonder. We have found that CArt AI is quite versatile in features. You are able to create AI generated art and edit it on the same platform. CArt AI is easy to use and understand. It is a free tool with a lot of premium features. And there you have it, the fantastic CArt AI. A treasure trove to creativity awaits you. Unleash your imagination and create breathtaking images effortlessly. Let us know in the comments what you think about this amazing tool. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more creative adventures. Thank you for joining us today, and let's keep making art.